Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer house deeds with TitleVest, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary documents related to the house deed. Ensure you have the current deed, identification, and any other relevant paperwork on hand. Next, locate the appropriate TitleVest office or online portal. Create an account on TitleVest's website if you're using their online services. Log in to your TitleVest account. Select the option for transferring a house deed. You will be prompted to enter the property address. Fill in the required property details, including the current owner's name and the buyer's name. Upload the current deed and any additional documents as requested. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, proceed to the payment section. Complete the payment as instructed. After payment, TitleVest will process your request. You will receive a confirmation of the deed transfer request. Keep an eye on your email for notifications regarding the status of your transfer. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a copy of the new deed. Store the new deed in a safe place for your records. Always consult a legal professional if you have questions during the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.